Next up, let's welcome Mutsuko from Hynts Tech. She will tell you about their cutting-edge molecular delivery into living cells with nanotechnology.
Okay, thank you for introduction. Hi, this is Mutsuko Aoki from Hynts Tech. Today, I'd like to talk about the new technology, which has a big impact on our society. Oops. There are so many social issues that need to be resolved, such as medical issues, environmental problem, and food problem. What do you think these problems have in common? The answer is all problems could be resolved by processing cells. We developed a new method and tools of creating processed cells, especially putting the substances into cells and extracting the intercellular. We want to contribute to solve these social problems by providing our technology to cell-related partners. And delivering molecule into cell is a core technology for researchers and businesses that work with cells. It's using regenerative medicine, cell therapy, gene editing, and so on. But existing methods all have problems. That is time-consuming, inefficiency, and limited size of molecules. So we propose a new solution, nanotube membrane stamp. Nanotube membrane stamp allows to deliver the molecule into living cells in short time with high efficiency compared to existing methods. And we can even deliver the large molecules such as a protein or cell organelles like mitochondria, which is very difficult with the existing methods. It means we can create new processed cells, which couldn't be created with other technologies. Okay, I'm going to introduce how the nanotube membrane stamp works. We developed the special membrane with many nanotubes to use the physical stamping as means to deliver the molecule into living cells. The cargo passes through the nanotubes to reach the inside of the cell, then pull up the stamp. The pore in the cell membrane is naturally repaired. That's all. It's a very easy and short-time process compared to existing methods. Okay, now I'll show you our demo in real time. We put the fluorescent molecule into cells, and this video is not sped up. Okay, you can see the cells on the screen, and these cells don't illuminate in excitation light. And now the stamp is inserted into cells, so delivering, and just under a few seconds. Now the cells illuminate in excitation light, so delivery was done. Our target segment is around the sector of all cell-related companies like this, and our main target is the medical industry. And we are planning to roll out the business model in 3 phases, not only selling the hardware, but also providing the cell processing service and R&D support. And we are a Japanese university startup company and only 1 year old. I'm responsible for the business side, and Professor Miyake is responsible for the technical side. Okay, finally, here is what I'd like to ask of you today. Collaboration and joint research. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mutsuko.